This is my first video, and I don't know how it's going to go, but I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Um, I the content would probably be cleaning, maybe cooking some of my dishes, maybe a little bit of gardening. I have a couple of dogs, so that could be a possibility. I'm just, I've seen a lot of people where the first video is, they don't know how to talk, what to say. It's very awkward, which is what's happening with me right now. This is really, really awkward for me, but let's see how it goes, okay? So here it goes. I'm in the living room. That's one of my baby's bed that I took out of the way. And what I'm doing is folding. Actually, I was going to fold some clothes on the couch, but I decided I need space. Typically, I would do it on the couch, but I do want to go ahead and show you what it is I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So let me just clean up this table just a little bit, some dust and so forth, and then we'll jump right into it. Starting to fold all this clothes that I did and left overnight. But when I take clothes out of the dryer, I do lay it out. I don't take it out in a bunch. Anyway, these are my pajamas, and now I'm going to be showing you how I fold them and make it into like a little bundle or package, something like that. I do that so that it'll fit in the drawer nice and neat instead of shoving in there everything halfway unfolded. It keeps it neat and it makes a lot more room in all the drawers. And I will show you what it looks like. Let me just finish all this here and we'll get back to that. Anyways, I'm gonna fast forward a little bit through this so that I can go through these 3 pair of pajamas. And basically what I do is I take the top and I lay it down front face, straighten it out just a little bit. Then I take that was the top, I take the pajama bottom, fold it in half, and then I bring it up to the center of the back of the neck. You'll see it there. Center from the shoulders and center from the sides. Then I fold over one side, I fold over the other side, and I turn it around, bring the top part up, and then take the bottom part and tuck it into the neck of the top so that it's in a little bundle, just like I did the first one. And that's what it looks like. Okay, and here's the last one. Now I'm getting into hanging my clothes up. Okay, these are a pair of these pants. I do line up the seams and I hang them upside down. For me, it works better with the hanger because sometimes it's too thick. So I just have the hangers that you can slide the pins back and forth, or whatever you call those things. Slide them back and forth. Okay, so that's one pair. And then I have a pair of jeans, pair of my jeans. I do the same. Line up the seams. Once those are lined up, I go ahead and move the pins again on the hanger so that it's at the end of each hem. And that's about it. In this load at least, I had just one pair of my husband's short and one pair of my jeans. And now for the tops. Uh, this was something that I wish I knew as a kid. I remember mom having a stack of shirts or t-shirts, whatnots, dresses that we had to fold, and she would lay them down like me. However, we didn't know this little trick that I picked up at a dressing room in a retail store one time. So what I would do is pick up the entire outfit and put the hanger in, button it up, and then move on to the next one at a time. It seemed like it took forever to get done with several pieces of clothing. But with this little trick here, all I do is I line them up, set them down, lay them down, line them up, and then I put the hanger in to one. Bang, that's done. Lean it forward, grab the next hanger, bang, that's forward. And I think you get the idea. And what I try to do too is I sort through the pieces of clothing. For instance, the first few pieces were mine, and then came my husband's sleeveless t-shirts, and after that, the short sleeve t-shirts. Now that was the end of hanging up at least that batch. And as you can see, all I did was grab all the hangers together before picking it up. And voila, everything is hung up neatly. So now I take that batch and then I would do the same with the pants. I have the hook on the pants hanger where you can layer them. And now I'm off to the closet.